Yeah.
Do it exactly the way she does it. What are we doing now? Come on. Come on, Bozo. Let's go this way. Thank you. Yeah. Come on. I think these shoes made a difference on them.
Yeah.
Not, you know, not totally, but it makes a difference. So we're going this way. I'm going to try a little mini trot for you. So hold him way back.
Okay, Cosmo, we gotta slow.
I'm going to try to go faster.
Hold.
All right.
Hold. All right, Cosmo. Come on, boy.
Whoa, whoa. Okay, we can't do that. If you're going to keep riding up, he's going to kick.
Cosmo.
Are you okay, Cosmo?
Cosmo's all right. It didn't touch his.
I know. But he's like, back up. I'm on you, silly.
Cosmo, come on, boy. I know. I know. You gotta slow. We trap, but you're slowing down, okay? Not too close. Come on, Cosmo.
Stay back, Cosmo. Good boy. We're going to go this way, mister. And we're not going home, so don't get it in your mind. When he goes out the first time, he's so well behaved.
Mm-hmm.
Really, I mean, he does pretty much everything I ask him. It's after the first time, then we start having issues.
Can you return Lego and buy another horse?
Mr. C never did any of this nonsense. And Cincinnati was so, he spoiled me to death. So it's hard having a problem child. Not that I mind it, but you know, like you said, you like that.
Yeah.
When you're younger, yeah.
Mm-hmm.
But when I work all week and I come out, I want to just trot. And
Just, yeah. It's like a stress relief.
Yeah.
Like fun, smooth
Then I had
ride.
to push him along the whole time. Like, come on, let's move it, let's go. Although Mr. C boy, he was like, I swear he had to be asleep walking. I never saw this. He was worse than, who's our slowest horse? When Misty gets real slow?
Ace.
Ace. Ace can be so slow. Right? When Ace gets slow, I did not understand what he was doing. And the rider was like not, she's like, I'm trying, but I must not have a lot of strength. I'm like, I understand that. You know, they know if you can really squeeze them hard enough, or I said, so you might have to try giving them a little kick.
Yeah.
Come on, let's go this side. Yeah. Come on. Boy. Good job. Good job, buddy. Come on. Cosmo, stay to the side. What are you following us for? We're not going anywhere. You notice that one's been following us.
Yeah.
Good job. Good job. Come on, try again. Let's see what you do. Not into the tree. Why do we go sideways when we run? Okay, there's the tree. Thank you. Oh, there's more. There's a up there. Sit. Watch your sit. Boy. Good job. have people, are they on horses or they just
No, they're just standing. They're just standing there. Did you get a chance to talk to Krista about me buying a horse?
No, she was not in the mood this weekend.
Okay.
I don't know what was going on. So I know I always pick the right time. When she's happy and everything's smooth, which will probably be tomorrow.
Right. At this point, I don't think I care about what horses I buy as long as I buy a good horse. So that makes it easier. You know, it's like when you tell them like you want that, you want this.
Right.
It might not be a good, you know.
Mix.
Yes. I mean, I don't mind to buy Cosmo. I like Cosmo now too.
He might be honestly too old.
Yeah, how old is he?
I don't know.
Okay.
Hello.
Let's move in, Cosmo.
Hello. How you doing?
Cosmo's too old.
Just because you want one with longevity that you can ride.
True.
You know?
That makes total sense.
I mean, I'll be a flat honest with you. I'm not gonna.
Yeah, I know.
Because someone would say, "Oh, yeah, buy Cosmo."
I know.
He might be great for 2 years, and then you could be like,
Then he'll be too old to
like
ride.
Mr. C today when he was sleepwalking, I was like, yeah, and I'm gonna buy you, but if I buy him, he'll be.
You'll be sleepwalking the whole time.
Yeah, he'll be for little kids.
Oh, no.
Not up his butt. I don't feel like getting thrown off. Okay?
Cosmo. Slow. Cosmo. No, don't fight me, Cosmo. I know. I know. I know, boy. I know, boy.
Good job. Good boy. Oh. Good boy.
Good job, boy. Good boy.
Stay back, Cosmo.
Stay back, Cosmo. Come on, give him some space. Don't ride his butt.
Very strong.
You want to trot? You got to keep it space. Don't you learn anything from the pandemic? Social distancing at all?
No, he did not.
I know. Where were you during the pandemic, huh, Cosmo?
It's like I was living in a field. The head boss, Sancho, me and Trixie ruled. Didn't have to do any work. Months went by, and then the people finally came back. We're like, where have you all been? Right? So his original owner contacted Rachel,
Yeah.
not the second one, the first one. She used to put him in shows.
Ah.
Here, let's go up here. Oh no, is that hunting area? Yeah, I think it is. Let's go this way. No, we're not going home. Oh, good behavior.
Mm-hmm.
Good. Woohoo.
He's getting better.
Yeah. Good job. We're going down in the safety zone for a while, just so we have some room without me worrying about where these guys are. Because there was a lot of them this morning. I talked to at least 7 to 9 of them.
Yeah.
And there was like maybe 6 more out already that they said. So that's my you're a good boy. He is a sweet horse. Strong-minded, right? Determined to keep running.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. Lego's good. When I came, was it last night or the night before? Help Rachel feed at night because it's getting dark so early. He came right to me.
Oh.
I went out in the field and it was so dark I couldn't see him. Like,
He smells you.
Lego. And then he came right over. Then he said, I don't know if he just come to me or he just comes to food. But that's okay. We'll get used to each other. And we'll all need to come into this, right? Yeah. I know uphill is hard. Yeah. Got those new beautiful shoes on that we need to use. Yeah. Are we slowing down? What are you thinking?
Cosmos just like to be like, you know, like side by side.
Yeah, he doesn't like. He was not a cart horse with 2 horses, but he likes to be in the front. But he's too fast to push too much to the front. But boy, that was perfect. Yeah, I know you didn't want to do it, but you did it. Good boy. Thank you. Good boy. It's the same thing you see every time. Come on. No, we're going this way. Step along. No, no. Oh, stop. You're too dominant. No, Cosmo, don't go in front. He has to do it.
Cosmo won't. He won't go in front.
Zip it up.
Cosmo, wait.
Not in the rock.
Cosmo, wait.
No, we're not doing
Cosmo,
sideways
hold.
view. Come on. Walk. Thank you. See, I think sometimes he just needs that extra, and if I can't do it with my legs. Good job. There you go. There you go. Good listening. Right, Cosmo? But up here, we're definitely going to stay in the woods, because today is a day where people are going to come to this park, and it's getting later, and they're going to have other kids run all over the place. So we're going to go in the woods up there, and then come back to the woods. I'm not going in the playground. All right, we'll try those trot, if you can hold them back in the beginning.
I'll try. All right, Cosmo, hold. Slow, Cosmo, slow. Slow.
Come on. I know, he wants to go fast. Come on. Pace it, Cosmo, pace it. Come on. Come on.
Cosmo's doing good.
Oh,
Good job, Cosmo. Good boy. Good boy, Cosmo.
Come on. I don't know, you're not used to this. Sideways views, I don't know. Come on.
Good boy.
Were you just hard?
Come on. Good boy.
You're fine. You are just fine, buddy. I'm here, car.
It's pretty far away. No, I think that's a plane.
Maybe it's a plane, yeah.
Roaring plane.
Thank you. Step it up. Nope. Walk.
Good boy. Good boy.
Good.
Slow.
Good boy. There you go. Okay, still on the wrong side. Just as long as you're walking. Good. I think these wires hanging.
It's very low.
It scares the heck out of me. Good job. Much better. Okay, let's go.
What is that?
That's a tree speaking.
Oh,
Yeah.
that's not good.
I
Are you
know.
about to come down or something, Trey?
Yeah, soon.
It's like
Not when we're out.
I'm hanging on by the thread here.
Oh no.
I'm falling slowly.
Thank God it's not windy. When it's really windy, I don't go through some of these forest areas.
Yeah.
I just say, yeah.
I'll be
I don't
scared.
know, I don't trust it. Okay, I know you're afraid you're gonna slip. Come on. Come on. Walk, walk. Not for the twinkle toes. Look, you can even do it flat. See? Fast walk. Good. Good. to someone,
Yeah.
taking out a ride. We used to work here, actually 2 girls. The one girl I absolutely love. Yeah,
That was
the new
me
boy.
when you took me out.
Was it you?
Yeah, me and Lee and her daughter.
No.
The
it
2
was-
girls that they used to work here at the ranch, and then they bought the horse there at the ranch also.
Oh, yeah, yeah.
Mhm.
It was Ombre and Scout.
Mhm.
Yeah. And I was on C, right?
Mhm. Yes, you were on.
And the one that had the big red horse, Ombre, she always had a mean, I don't know, about, like, she's very snooty about horses. She goes, oh, she still rides Mr. C.
Oh my gosh.
And Michaela.
Well, why not?
Because Michaela called me and said, she goes, she has her own horse now, but he is taking a break because he got injured. She didn't say what.
Mhm.
I'm like, thank you for sticking up for me.
Mhm.
So they, you know, when they're young, they're all so much better than everybody else. She's not that young anymore. I'm surprised
No.
she hasn't changed her little attitude a bit. You are not nice to Mr. Blue because I love him. No, we're not going that way. That's Park Ranger lawn. We'll get
He's gonna get us.
yeah, we will get a fine. Especially since he complains about the new hunter. Are you ready? Cosmo, can you stay back
Cosmo,
a little?
we hold Cosmo. So we gonna trot. Cosmo, behave, please.
Please.
Be good, boy.
All right. All right, come on.
I know you like to go fast, but we're gonna slow with it, okay? Good boy. There you go. Good boy.
Wow. Good boy.
All right, Cosmo.
No.
Good boy, Cosmo.
Very nice, Lego. Very nice. Good work. I know you like it.
And you know what? I noticed the difference in the boots that I wear, the shoes.
Oh, yeah.
So I got this boot and it's like extremely snug. The ankle, the foot and everything, it makes such a big difference, Mary. When we go fast, it makes
Oh,
such a
really?
big difference. It grabs, there's no slip. It's like you feel that support,
Oh,
like a very sturdy, strong support.
okay. Thing about changing my shoes.
Mhm.
I end up wearing these because I'm working in the
The
out in
fields with
field.
them.
I don't want my shoes all muddy.
Yeah.
Like when it's winter time, I'll start trying things like that because then we don't have a ride after ride after ride.
Yeah,
After ride.
I hear you.
And I get over there and we have to get all the horses down, get them fed.
Mhm.
Right? So a little crazy. Yeah, you want to run again? Okay.
Okay, Cosmo, slow
Cosmo,
first.
hold way
Slow
back,
first.
Okay.
Okay. Okay, boy.
All right, come on.
All right, boy. Slow, boy. Keep a distance. Slow. Good job. Good job.
We'll go fast and faster.
Good job.
Oh boy.
Lego's good.
He is good. He knows it. He knows it. He has it in
Got the
there.
rainbow bridle.
I know. Rainbow bright. That's what I was saying. It's like when my daughter was little, there was this doll. She always wanted rainbow bright. I'm like, okay. Right. He really needs a rope bridle though, because if he gets stuck on things,
Yeah.
the rope bridle. I don't.
I know. We're talking about you. It's like, stop talking about me, Miss Mary.
I know.
All right, Cosmo. Gotta slow, Cosmo.
What do you see? There are no hunters back here. You don't have to worry. Unless these kids come out of their houses. And then we might have to worry. Yeah, I know. We go again? All right.
All right, slow down first, Cosmo.
All right. Go ahead.
Slow boy.
Come on. Come on. Come on.
Slow boy.
He likes it better when I do it.
Slow boy. Wait for Lego. Wait for Lego. Good job. Good boy.
Good. That was nice.
Good boy.
Boy. It's just dead trees. Yeah. Little bird. Sit, sit. Oh boy. Good job. Yeah. Good little boy. This helmet is stupid. It's not even staying on right. Bouncing around. Okay, well that's, I don't know what good it's going to do.
Huh.
Alright, let's try again. No.
Keep it distance, Cosmo. Hold.
Cosmo's right there. Good boy, Cosmo. He wants to go first. He's like, let me in front.
He's good at listening, you know. Like not getting ahead.
He likes you. If he don't like you, he's not good at listening.
Come on, good boy.
Right?
All right, we gotta slow down.
No.
Wait for Lego.
Nope, the helmet's gonna fly off. Hold on, I was trying to fix my helmet. Did you feel that? Is that what's going on? Something shift, right? Stupid! Not staying on, honey. Not staying on. Are you two becoming friends? This is how they become friends.
Mm-hmm.
When they ride together. Oh boy, yeah, she's okay. She's okay, I'll put up with it. Right? He has a dominant girlfriend too.
Cosmo? Lego.
Yeah.
Okay.
His dominant girlfriend is Diva.
Diva.
She
I
is
don't know Diva,
definitely
Lego. Is Diva nice and pretty looking? Come on.
She's pooping.
Yeah, Lego is pooping. Let Lego poop.
I know. Little truck, good truck. Oh boy. Yeah. Where you going? What's wrong?
I know, stop that. I know what you're trying to do.
Yeah. Okay.
Come on, be good. Behave.
job. It's like, wait, we're on the wrong side.
Okay, Cosmo.
All right, Cosmo, hold on a minute.
Wait, Cosmo. Wait for Lego.
Good boy. Good job. Let me think of how old Cosmo is. Mother was here when you came. I'd have to look at pictures to try to figure out. We might have papers on him, I don't know. But I still think he's too old.
Mm-hmm.
He's not gonna. Okay, stay back, Cosmo. You can't run side by side up here. This is not.
All right, we gotta slow, okay? You wanna trot and have fun? Then we gotta stay behind. You listen.
Good boy.
You listen and then you get your fun.
Yeah.
I get my fun too. All right, boy? I know, I know. If you listen, I won't have to pull.
This is a speed zone,
Okay.
so we can't let them go too much. Come on, just a little.
Good boy. Good boy.
Come on.
Slow. Slow. Oh!
Sorry, guys. Ho, relax,
Slow.
relax.
Stop.
Settle down. Settle down. I don't have a helmet. It's working.
Cosmo.
All right. Did he?
Gotta tighten it. No, he's
I
fine.
won't. I can't get it.
Can't?
tightened. He didn't run up his butt or anything.
No, no, no. He was on the side.
Yeah. I don't know what that was about. I know.
We were far behind.
So you weren't out for a long, long time. Yeah. Goodness. Hold still.
Cosmo.
Don't stop.
Stop, Cosmo. Stop.
Relax.
Stop.
You gotta
Calm
calm
down.
a minute.
We let you run and you go wild. That's what it is. Look at you now, all hyped.
Yep.
All riled up.
Walk. Yeah, fix this. I don't know what the heck they did to this. Keep it safe.
We could stop there at the gate there, and then so you could fix that.
Yeah, he's not stopping, let me tell you.
His face is gonna be at the gate, so he's gonna stop.
Cosmo, stay back. All right.
All right, Cosmo, we're gonna stop right here, Cosmo. Wait for Miss Mary.
I'm trying.
Cosmo,
Good job. Good boy.
stop fighting me.
I found one side I can tighten. Walk. Walk.
Look, he's all
we're doing
hyped
it
now.
too.
Calm down, boy. Calm down.
Both pumped up. Yeah.
Hold.
Come here, Cosmo. Over here. Over here. Good boy. Good boy. There you go.
I know.
No, pull back. Stay. Good boy. Stay. Relax.
Cosmo, calm down.
Relax.
Calm down, boy. Good job. Good job.
Breathe. still. Good boy. Good boy. Yeah, that's scary. Alright, well that's a little tighter, but still not in the right spot. Okay, well, that was like a bucking, try to run thing. I don't know what he was doing.
To tighten the back.
Yeah. That's part of it.
There's a car behind us, 2 cars behind us. Get in.
Well, we ended up walking up here past the playground. So hopefully there's no... Yeah, they're starting now.
Mm-hmm. Slow.
Whoa!
The pink. Oh, come on, it's paint.
Now he's getting himself all wild.
It's paint. He's like, oh, what's that?
That was paint on the ground, boo. No worries.
It's too bright.
I know. He's like, shoot, it's gonna bite me. Alright, boo, stand over here. We're gonna get knocked off with the tree branches. Come on. Sit, boo. Don't come this way. Oh, and it's busy.
It's like scalp or something.
Now we're looking at everything on the ground. Oh my God, very scary. Scary, scary. Yeah.
There's paint ahead, but it's just a little bit Lego, just very small specks of pink
It
paint.
was bright pink.
Yeah, if you know, you should see your bridal. Why are you?
I don't know. He's taking.
Your bridal's bright too, Lego.
I know. It looks like
You just-
you.
You don't want to look at yourself in the mirror. Cosmo, slow. Good boy. Good boy. Yeah, I know. I know.
Okay.
You're good.
Yeah. Now he's looking down at the ground the whole time.
Trying to see if there's any more of
And then
them.
there's going to be something on the side that he's going to go, "Ah, what's that? It's nothing. It was just my voice. I'm sorry.
Yeah.
No, back it up. Back it up.